Break in, expanding your vocabulary with related expressions. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of phrasal verbs, particularly focusing on the verb, break. This video is all about break in and its related expressions. We're not only going to understand how to use break in, but also explore its closely connected terms, helping you to enrich your English communication skills. Remember, understanding phrasal verbs is a significant step towards mastering the English language. Let's start off with the main verb of the day, break in. This phrasal verb can be used in several ways, but its two most common uses are 1. When someone enters a building or a place illegally, especially by force. 2. Example: somebody broke in and stole my laptop. 3. When you make something new more comfortable or effective by using it for some time. 4. Example: I need to break in my new shoes before the marathon. Now, let's move on to related expressions or idioms that involve the word break. These are phrases that might not directly involve breaking in, but are related to the general concept of break. Understanding these will give you a more comprehensive grasp of English. 1. Break the ice. This phrase refers to doing something to create a more relaxed and comfortable social situation, especially when meeting people for the first time. 2. Example: John told a funny joke to break the ice at the beginning of the meeting. 3. Break a leg. This is an idiomatic expression in English that means good luck. It is typically used in the theater industry before someone goes on stage to perform. 4. Example: you have your piano recital today, break a leg. 5. Break even. To break even means to have your expenses equal to your income, so you neither gain nor lose money. 6. Example: the business finally broke even after 3 years. To ensure you fully understand the usage of these phrasal verbs and expressions, let's do a quick exercise. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate phrasal verb or expression we discussed today. 1. He decided to tell a joke to blank at the party. 2. You have your job interview today, blank. 3. The new restaurant hopes to blank in its first year of business. And that wraps up our exploration of break in and related expressions. We hope you've learned some interesting new ways to use the word break in everyday conversation. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so don't forget to use these new expressions in your daily English conversations. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep learning and keep practicing.